how would we do some of these ones here? So let's just focus on that first one. Alright, so if we do the brackets that are on the inside first, and we multiply, so you got 3 to the, I'll just put 5 to the minus 2. That's all to the 2, all over 3 to the minus 2, 5 to the 4, all to the 3. So what you need to do is you need to take the indice that is outside and multiply the numbers that are inside by it. That's your first step in simplifying this. So it is 4 to the 3 times 3 to the 3 times 2, which is 6, times 5 to the minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4, all over 3 to the minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, times 5 to the 4 threes are 12. Okay, so now let's just look for the ones that have the same base. So you got a 3 to the minus 6 and a 3 to the 6. And then you also have 5 to the minus 4 and 5 to the 12. So when you're cancelling here, you got to think about which one's bigger. Now the bigger one is on top with the 3's. And the 4, 3 there, well, that just stands alone. It doesn't cancel with anything. So that one moves up the top. So you get times 3 to the 6 minus 6, because you subtract the indices. And when you do the 5, you'd move that one down there. That's 5 to the 12 minus 4. So you change the sign of the indices. So it's 4 to the 3 times 3 to the 6 minus 6 is 12, over 5 to the 12 minus 4, which is 5 to the 16. Okay, well, that's that one. Might just look at the lucky last one here. Just have a look at what it says. So you go 9 to the minus 4, just open all the brackets first, 12 to the 2 to the minus 12 over 9 to the minus 6 times, so you flip it, 2 to the minus 9 on 9 to the minus 2 times 2 to the minus 2. So you're bringing these indices in by multiplying them. So now simplify it. We can actually cancel anything on top with the bottom. That's probably best to say 9 to the minus 4 is the bigger one. So you go minus 6, which will give you 9 to the 2. So you got 2 to the minus 12 and 2 to the minus 2. The one down the bottom there is the best one. So that's 2 to the minus 2 minus 12, which would give you 10. Now, what else do we have here? So we have another 9 to the minus 2 here, which we can group with the other 9 to the 2. And that's a 1. So now if you get the 9s, you can collect like terms with those. So the bigger one's on top, because that's 9 to the 2. So you go 9 to the 2 minus 2 times 1 over 2 to the minus 2 plus 12, which is 10. Minus 2 plus 12 is 10. So the 9 is on the top, so it's 9 to the 4 times 1, and 1 times 2 to the 10 is just 2 to the 10.